Now we have a couple of printers here in the workshop. They're both working fine. Usually run out of ink before anything goes wrong. Both of them cost less than €80. They're both pretty good. This one here is a scanner, this one doesn't, but you can air print from your phone or smart device. Now the advantage of this one is it has a tray, and also it can print discs. So let's go ahead and print a disc. Okay, so you're probably wondering, why do you want to print a disc? Well, most smartphones nowadays have a lot of memory on them. You can save your pictures and videos to your smartphone, or you can save them on the cloud. Now, what if your smartphone happens to break, or you lose it, or it's stolen? And what if you forget to pay your subscription on the cloud? It's possible that you could lose everything. So why not back stuff up on a disk and put it away, and you may never need to worry about it again. So with the Canon, you can go to the Canon website and you can download the Easy Photo Print Editor, which I've done here. It's available for Mac and for Windows. Just click on it there and you'll see it'll come up there. You can select disc labels. Don't worry about that. Ideally select something simple, or if you want you can design something yourself. Now the discs you're going to use, most of the CDs, DVDs are 120 or 4.7 inches, and they may have a small inner circle, just so happens the ones I have do. So click on that, go to next, and then if you have something saved in cloud or on OneDrive, you can do that. You have your Dropbox, etc, etc. I'm just going to select a photo from the laptop, and let's just select this one here, open it, don't worry about that, and there's your shape of your disc, and that's what it's going to be printed onto it. Now you can make a few adjustments if you want, or if you don't, just go ahead and get it ready for printing. So what you do then, next thing you'll do is you'll switch on your printer. Now you may wonder how you're going to print a disc. Are you going to just stick it in there? That doesn't work. It's quite ingenious. What they've done is, if you take out the feeder cartridge and turn it upside down, and here you have your disc holder. Now it's held in with little tabs, so slide it down and it just comes out like that. What we do then is we'll just put this back into place, make sure it's in place, and there you have it. So what you need to do then is select the disc. Just so happen to have some here. Now I wouldn't recommend printing on ordinary ones. Now these are blanks, and this happens to be a DVD. You can print videos or pictures onto it. Now you have your loading, and it tells you what orientation or what way it goes. So just slide that in like that, hold it in place, and pull this back, and it'll grip it in. Now the next step you do is switch on your printer, open your tray, press OK, 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 OK. That's just setting up itself. Now we're ready to print, but we still have to go back to the laptop to tell it to print. It doesn't yet know it's printing a disc, but it will in a moment. Back at the laptop, we have this ready to go. Go to next. Don't worry about that. Again, just to verify that it's 120 by 120, which is the 4.7. You can do auto photo fix if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Now also, I don't have any photo ink in the printer. I just have regular ink, and it will print with regular ink in semi-photo quality. So when you're ready to go, press next down here. It'll tell you what printer you want to use. This is the T700 series. Default settings, just printer 1. Now it still thinks it's going to do a page, but it's not. Also, we're doing it in color. Don't need double side. And then press print. Now the information has been sent to the printer, but because it's a disk, it doesn't know what to do. So what we do is we go back to the printer and we'll follow the next stage and we'll see the result. Now I've just changed the orientation a little so you can see better what we're going to do next. Now in order for the printer disk, now we have the tray out. What you need to do is you need to push it back in and make sure it locks into place. And then it's looking for the OK to go ahead. So what we do then is we now have the disc ready to go in. Slide it in, just find it where it slides, and you have a mark here and a mark there. Match them up and then press OK. And there it goes. It's going to start printing. Now it'll take probably 45 seconds to a minute, and we'll see the result. Now I did speed it up a little because it did take a little longer than that. And there's your result there. So we give a thumbs up to that. Now the quality, the color quality wouldn't be as great as photo quality. But I mean, if you want to go out and spend some money and buying some photo quality ink and then have to swap it back and forward every time you want to use normal print, that's up to you. The printer ink that I have in there, I bought it from a third-party company. It was much cheaper than normal. It's normally around €35 for 5 little cartridges. I got it for about a third of that. And the quality is still good. And the fact that the little printer here, sub €80 printer, and it'll do discs, and it'll do quite a bit. And it's also very well reviewed. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you again soon.